Hey there, welcome back to AI Navigator. Today, I'm going to show you how I create professional thumbnails for my videos using two fantastic free AI tools, which are Leonardo.ai and the other one is Canva. I will be putting the links to these two AI tools in the description. And stick around because I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. First things first, after getting ready with my video, I need a striking thumbnail to go with it. That's where Leonardo comes in first. I'll use it to generate an image based on a specific prompt. In this case, I want an attractive man to be the centerpiece of my thumbnail. I start by navigating to Leonardo's website at Leonardo.ai. The beauty of using Leonardo is that it's a user-friendly AI tool that doesn't require any sign-up or downloads. It's right at your fingertips in your web browser. Once I'm on the Leonardo website, I'm greeted by a clean, intuitive interface. I'll click on the AI image generation button, and this is where the magic begins. I'm prompted to provide a description or prompt for the image I want to generate. In our case, I've entered the prompt, attractive man with a confident smile. Leonardo's AI algorithms then get to work analyzing my prompt and creating a visually appealing image based on it. The level of detail and realism Leonardo achieves is truly impressive. The generated image is now the foundation for our thumbnail. It's ready to be refined and transformed into an attention-grabbing visual that will entice viewers to click on our video. With our attractive man image in hand, we're now set to proceed to the next step, editing and finalizing our thumbnail using Canva. So let's make our way to Canva and put the finishing touches on our thumbnail masterpiece. Now that we harness the power of Leonardo to create a foundational image for our thumbnail, it's time to unlock our creativity and give that image the pizzazz it needs using Canva. Canva is a versatile and user-friendly online graphic design tool that empowers anyone to create stunning visuals. And the best part? You don't need any prior design experience. I open my web browser and head over to canva.com. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, Canva offers a wide range of options that cater to your needs. Once I'm on Canva's website, I log in or sign up for a free account if I haven't already. Having an account allows me to save my designs and come back to them later, which is super convenient. With Canva, I can choose from a multitude of templates designed specifically for YouTube thumbnails, or I can start from scratch. The choice is entirely mine. I'll select Create a Design and then choose YouTube Thumbnail, because YouTube thumbnails have a recommended size of 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. This ensures our thumbnail looks crisp and professional on all devices. Now, I give my project a name and start creating the thumbnail. In an instant, I have a blank canvas that's ready for me to work my creative magic. But remember, it's not just about the image. We need to consider the title and elements that will entice viewers to click on our video. So I'll dive into Canva's vast library of fonts, icons, and shapes to make our thumbnail truly pop. As we continue to explore Canva's features, we'll be able to add text, adjust colors, and fine-tune the overall look and feel of our thumbnail. Canva simplifies the design process, making it accessible to everyone. With our thumbnail taking shape in Canva, we're on the path to creating a visual masterpiece that will not only enhance our video, but also draw in more viewers. So let's roll up our sleeves and start the creative journey with Canva. By the end of this section, you'll have all the tools and knowledge you need to craft a thumbnail that's both captivating and professional. It's time to take the next big step, importing the image which I generated using Leonardo and merging it seamlessly into my thumbnail masterpiece. Canva allows me to effortlessly incorporate my generated image, ensuring it becomes the focal point of my thumbnail. I'll open my Canva project where I've already chosen the canvas size and started working on the design elements. Now, to add the image we generated earlier, I click on the Uploads tab in the Canva interface. From there, I select the image file that I created with Leonardo. Canva makes it remarkably simple to import images from your computer, and it's just as easy to arrange and adjust them within your design. The key here is to place our attractive man image in a way that makes it the central focus of the thumbnail. It should immediately convey the essence of our video and capture viewers' attention. As we continue fine-tuning our thumbnail, we'll consider factors like placement, size, and any necessary adjustments to the generated image. Canva's user-friendly interface ensures that even those without prior design experience can achieve a polished and professional look. Now that we've successfully incorporated our generated image into the thumbnail, it's time to add the finishing touches that will make our visuals stand out and convey the essence of our video. As I return to my Canva project, I focus on the next crucial aspect, text. An attention-grabbing title is essential. I click on the Text tab, and Canva presents me with a variety of fonts, styles, and formatting options to choose from. I carefully select a font that complements the overall theme and style of my video. The title should be concise yet intriguing, encouraging viewers to want more. I position the text strategically, ensuring it doesn't overwhelm our attractive man, but instead enhances the overall composition. Additionally, Canva offers an extensive library of elements such as icons, shapes, and stickers. These can add a unique touch to our thumbnail. Whether it's a subtle icon that represents the video's content or an eye-catching shape that frames our elements, these additions can make our thumbnail even more appealing. Remember, balance is key. We want our text and elements to enhance the overall composition without distracting from the central message. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes it a breeze to position and style these elements. By the time we're done with this section, our thumbnail will not only feature our generated image, but also a compelling title and perhaps some tasteful elements. This combination will ensure that our thumbnail communicates effectively and entices viewers to click and watch our video. I will focus on styling my thumbnail. I adjust the colors, contrast, and brightness to ensure it looks top-notch. Canva makes it super easy to fine-tune every element until it's just right. Canva has a huge collection of free-to-use assets that makes the workflow very easy. Any user with no prior knowledge of graphic designing can use Canva to create stunning thumbnails. With my thumbnail looking sharp and enticing, it's time to save and export it. It's time to ensure it's ready to be used for our YouTube video. In this section, we'll explore how to export and save our masterpiece from Canva. With the Canva project open on my screen, I'm thrilled to see how our thumbnail is transformed into a captivating visual representation of our video. But before we share it with the world, we need to save it in a format that's suitable for you too. Canva makes this process quick and straightforward. In the top right corner of the Canva interface, you'll find the download button. Clicking on it reveals a menu with various file format options. For YouTube thumbnails, the recommended format is PNG. Once you've selected PNG, Canva will generate a high-quality image file of your thumbnail. It retains all the details, colors, and elements we meticulously crafted during the design process. Before hitting that final download button, take a moment to double-check your thumbnail. Ensure that everything looks precisely as you want it to appear on YouTube. This is your last chance to make any minor adjustments or corrections. Once you're satisfied, click download and your finished thumbnail will be saved to your computer. You now have the perfect visual representation of your video, ready to entice viewers and encourage them to click and watch. And that's it, folks. In just a few simple steps, I've used Leonardo to generate a stunning image and Canva to transform it into a professional-looking thumbnail. Remember, a captivating thumbnail can make all the difference in attracting viewers to your videos, so invest a little time and creativity into making yours stand out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your own professional thumbnails using these two free AI tools, Leonardo and Canva. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.